Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to check your flight status on Turkish Airlines. First, open your browser and go to turkishairlines.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the flight status button. It's right next to flight check-in and manage booking. Click Flight Status, then choose how you want to search. By flight number, enter your flight number and date. Or by route, enter departure and arrival cities, then pick the date. After filling in the details, click the search or red button to see the live flight status. It will show you if the flight is on time, delayed, or already arrived. And that's it. That's how to check your flight status on Turkish Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.